Hey guys, here we go again. First trip of the new season. Honestly, I don't know if the fish are around yet or not, but I was getting bored sitting at home, so I figured I'd give it a shot, see what's out here, if any. It's also a little bit windy, so this could be interesting. But I pretty much just want to see if there are any fish yet. It's still early. Only one way to find out. First cast of 2021. Hi there. I just started. That was just my second cast, so I'm basically just I want to see if they are back.
Oh.
So, because this.
I love it.
Thanks. So guys, time now is 2 o'clock. It's about 2.5 hours before high tide. And that's about the time I usually go fishing. And I fish for 2 hours before, and then 2 hours up to 2 hours after high tide. The first lure I'm going to use today, or I'm using today, is this guy here. Same one that I used last summer, and had a lot of success with it. In fact, last year I caught about 79, 80 fish, ranging in size from about 12 inches to 26 inches. So I figured it's early season, I'll give it a shot. If this doesn't work, and I got bucktail, and I got some plugs also that I can use for top water. So we'll give this a shot for now and see what happens. Sorry guys, no fish today. First day back fishing for the year, and I guess they're not around yet, but we'll be back. Anyways, since it's really slow, I'm gonna show you what I have in this little pouch here. Actually, I like this jigs there. Let's see, what else do we have in here? We got some swivels. So that's pretty much what I have in my little pouch. And of course my fishing license or permit in there. But this is just a camera bag that I'm using. It's early season, so I don't really want to bring my whole my bigger bags. So I figured what I have here will be enough to get me started. Plus, again, we're just starting out, so I didn't really know if the fish were going to be around yet or not. But at least this will give you an idea of what I do carry, or what I'm carrying now. Like I said, today what I used was this right here, which is a 1 ounce size of this guy's here. So right now I have the 1 ounce, and I have a 2 ounce and a 3/4 ounce. And then on the bucktail I have a 1/2 ounce and a 1 ounce right here. Actually, this was a 2 ounce. I carry my tape measure so I don't take any fish that's not legal. I got some swivels, and also I got some soft plastic that I can either use well, I do have the jig head in there with it also, or I can use them as trailers for the bucktails. But anyways, I just wanted to show it to you, especially since we didn't really catch anything today. But for the most part, this is what I'll be carrying when I go fishing, unless I'm using bait, in which case it'll be different, totally different setup. So maybe at some point I'll show you guys what that looks like. Alright, anyways, I think I'm gonna call it a day, and hopefully our next trip will be a little better, but it can't get any worse, so it's gonna get better. Alright guys, take care, have a great day, stay safe. Hey guys, so no luck today, but we'll try it again some other time. It was a little bit windy, but that wasn't really that bad. I tried everything from spoons to soft plastic to plugs, and even bucktail, but nothing was out there. I think it's just a little bit too early. They probably won't be in for another week, at least another week. That's when I usually get them, like the 3rd week of May. But anyways, we'll be back. Alright, talk to you guys later. Okay, bye bye.